Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker says ice full in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to first of all understand what this error actually means. So your ice maker uses an infrared or mechanical sensors in order to detect the ice levels. So if that sensor is blocked or misreading, it will think that the bin is full even when it is not. So in that case, you just have to first of all start with the sensor itself, open the lid and locate the sensor area near the ice basket. If there is frost, water droplets or dirt, it can block the detection. So in this case, you just have to do nothing but to just wipe it gently with a dry cloth and remove any kind of ice buildups. Now sometimes the small pieces of ice get stuck near the sensor or chute. So even a tiny blockage can trigger the ice full message. So in order to fix it, you need to simply remove the basket and check around the ice drop area, clear any of the hidden ice or debris. Now condensation can also confuse the sensor. If the inside is too wet, it may reflect signals incorrectly. So in that case, you need to leave the lid open for a few minutes to let it dry or wipe the interior lightly. Now you need to also perform a proper reset. So in that case, you need to simply unplug the unit for about 5 minutes and then plug it back in, and then you need to start a new cycle and see if the error is gone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.